our party. We are a united party encompassing people from all ethnic groups, all religions, and we are part of the elephant family. It is therefore very important that we do not allow people, for the sake of political advantage, to break us apart as a party. I'm saying this because recently people are going religious and tribal. People are going religious and tribal. That is dangerous for the New Patriotic Party. It's very dangerous for us if you go in that direction. What is clear and is stated in black and white in the Boakye report, as well as all the other studies, is that religion and tribe were not factors in the 2024 election results. They were not factors. They were not.
Okay. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say, Marco Kwe report, snipers of it, any researcher, Abba, Papaya or election, Musa Dankwa researcher, ni Bibiano, has shown say, Enya Bawumia so ceremony, and now ye cremoni tin MPP lose ye. It was major economic, and the decisions of Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and economic team no led by your friend say Papaya Akoyo operation as here. Can oforia tanum any near maybe MPP for ampa or no Bawumia de no is an infinitesimal. And you what this and comfort can be bisa. So no sway Sikano say religion tidia and kono kobeja to mon contested. No yourself selfish. Okay. Sabia ya Bawumia kasa ya no. Na ye MPP constituency chairman omo conference. No mo ye no Longford. Ahono eye Iraq odino kwaku apia. Na se ye bia eye event center. Enti wo mo ton safre wo mo nyinada. Yewura ya osaya oduchum be kasai. Kennedy akompre kombe kasai. Dr. Bawumia mutie de ne owo hono mo. Boakye Jakon. Na hono mo no mo kosre Boakye Jakon se. Omo pane chew. Omo sem nyina yetiawa. Yewura Boakye Jakon emre du so obefa MPP party no as chairman. Na the okasa he no kasa wiye no. The spontaneity with which all the chairmen got up and started national chairman. Yenim se Boakye Jakon be somu a. Bijiri se Boakye Jakon kasa obe national chairman a. Onya opposition. Your boy do money want to be money or more person or I think they will go to sleep. Because there is a clarion call for this man to lead the New Patriotic Party as their chairman. Why they don't see him as a flag bearer, I don't know. They see him with wisdom and wits and tact. Say, Obetimia so MPP party nimu like chairman general Johnson Asiedu Ketia. They see him leading the party to victory, but they don't see him as flag bearer. Boakye Jakon so a flag bearer. Okay, I don't know that. No mo nyina akasa wie na brantia. Your friend of Brand Champon. Ono so kwaji akasamu on the last. How about address you? O kan nsem nyina wie no so ono. Omon ko bu sampanim for all party nim. Emusa even the flag bearer na nipa say. Election na omokoye. Who was a major contributor in terms of funds. But omate se wakasa. Obi on ma oye bibi kakra bi ma party ni na de danano no oye dede nyina onye bi da. MPs omo ho no ma omo ko elections. Omo sa omo the contribution into their victory ni omo lose ye sika or the contribute here. Party na as a whole. any even party ni kura hwe emwa ode aboa. As I speak with you, all the DCs, MCs, former omo Rock City, omo ko Friday, and nekura de bi besimu aba, ebi so ko Sunday. Also omo mra no no omo mfa adwene, emfa party no. All the former ayi. Obaka say nche bi akere Japan invite omo on cry. Eno omo to say didi, one dey also omo meda. Rock City and I know you be 600. Yeah, you be say rooms no be be 600 and something. It's 275, 261 ko die no. Omo the pillow so call the koi. And I say this is omo ni adwuma for now. Ebi mo omo businesses, but abai adwuma say kwa adwuma no mu ni bi nti omo akɔgye omo. Wo se wa opeso di 1 week kredi. Do omo ko daddy yes chile. Jai. Wo koso obejo. Na de oye wa ha ne say papa brand champon yi. Owie ye no. Eno se o, minim say mubu bi fa car na buy. 20th to 22nd. Another date say 23rd. Eti mobile Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And run a mobile. Me say mo ya say say 276. Okay. And then we are 276 will be only 5,000. Ompanya lorry fenko 5,000 Ghana say be move for flight. 5,000 Ghana. Yeah, calculation no 13.75 billion. I don't know. Anya say you. I don't know is count to. Akwa Abia to say.
Akunte radi adom na.
As I'm to say. What is the kind of movie and was some patcho na? You know, I'm organizing, you know. I had my more rent any a camber body and now with the ninja say almost 100,000 or some money. I don't know where you'll catch up some. It is about action. And you did it. There'll be a Bibima party and there'll be a Bibima will be and why you did do about Tenesa. There be. Boa party no na party ni nyina. So wa hit will be. E mu say there be akana sem. Brand Champion gave 14.7 billion. The ma say organization of the conference plus. Friday na DC is no omo de omo cancel duru. Omo go Rock City. Oni omo fa actually. Hey. Bank of Ghana terminates appointment of over 100 staff hired in 2024. Bank of Ghana. A city pay a form 2024. 100. In accordance with the terms of your contract of employment, exacting 6-month probation period was to be completed. Management regrets to inform you that your appointment cannot be confirmed. Consequently, your employment with the Bank of Ghana will be terminated effectively Monday and in accordance with terms of your appointment and the bank's policies. You will be paid 1 month salary in lieu of notice. Kindly ensure that all items belonging to the bank that are currently in the possession of you are returned to the Human Resource and Capacity Development Bank of Ghana. Aya juma 6 months. Yes, with that probation. Yes, say that's a call. Yeah. We thank you for the service you have rendered during your time with the bank and wish you the very best in your future endeavors. Thelma E. Randolph Akushi, Mrs. Head, Human Resource and Capacity Development Department. Ako ye juma ako training na ye bibia wie yaw ya faw busumi nsiani dru ye no ye say 100 ye feel say wa mo homodin hey ebi anka wunya juma bi oba binum ne ade nyina ya wagyae o
bu okra no se baby nti
John Seresiama onsanu adwuma
no jai koye
John Seresiama onsanu adwuma no Adomasi also monko. Now, and Christians don't want to vote for a Muslim to be president. So I say, "I'm jing hinipa." Arobo kede de Japan can't say be. Ose mo amu pese Mufi se o kokko. Asante. Enti mu be ya se mu be ye te se. Mu be huru ne bo na ma hye da bufuo na wa be kikansem bi no. Mu nya ne nya ne kina. Oboku mfa ne nkun wakwe yeti no.
That you see, people were not happy and did not go out there to vote. We claim that it's our own party people who refused to vote. So why are we taking decisions that to annoy them again not to come and vote? Do we really want to come to power? The power belongs to all of us. It is not one person's ambition. It is not one person's wish. If it's one person's wish, then he alone should do it. It is not. It's collective. So I'm pleading with everybody to come on board. But there should be fairness. That is all I'm saying.
Okay, no, officer, bottom-up approach is the way to go, not top-bottom. Gentlemen, good morning. I want to believe your weekends were good. And Opay Uswa Jabin, lecturer, Kumasi Technical University, will be joining us. Justice Prempe is a member, NDC communication team. He will also be joining us. We'll be doing a lot of deliberations with that. But for now, Asante, it's about MPP this morning. Bank of Ghana so terminating 100 people. I don't know whether it's been done before, but when you're on probation, it doesn't mean that you are appointed by rules and regulations and policies of every outfit. It be a 3 months probation, be a 4 months. Bank of Ghana 6 months. Who be I approve? Almost all my human son in Nipa 100.
I am more of an administrative decision. Na me de se bia na mutu me bia nka nipa hende ne bia nka metima fa bia be 20 se kwan o ha at least say m block nipa hende ni na supposedly a form there. It breeds the suspicion of politics in every part of our administrative systems. But on my media anopedia omo kan efa Muslimi ni MPP sem ne saade no. Me do before 2024 election me catch you say most elite in this country mo koto ba enye religion say me ye kramuni no sane no ade ba ko ha ba omia pa ye the economy no. He as an individual supposedly head of the economic management team economy no enya na so no. It never gave him that moral courage say in spite of the economic situation no man for insan to abama na unsa meye demiwa you are part of the supposedly failed team. That one is true. So any say yenyi enu free religion because religion is issue. Meaning say MPP and for that matter when say Mahama na may be MPP dey ya na may be a Christian on top and the Muslim down. Omampenyi Kufuor na liu by na Omampenyi Kufuor dey na ba omia. But this time when they thought say having been at the top down for twice and this time say bia nka Muslim be kosoro. Fact is a MPP for di nkunimu no. Edi gugu no sorry 2024 election. And Muslim background of Baumia was about 2-3%. Sure. Oh. Enye Baumia Muslim me on say makasa me Baumia me support no sa. But and simbi wo mama yen ka no kura mama mfo ntiase. Say economy ni ko ye. E maburi nya adwuma ye ya. O my nobody have thought say Baumia say boy kremoni da. Eno mem fact is MPP lose here no. Say Baumia economy ni course so in 2019 and me course so
2019 2020.
Na enyema ye you know. Who was being taken about religion? But according to say 2024 now economy was ajegunu sanema no. And na amount for say Baumia was leading it. Those Wameka say he has locked the keys of the forex and for that matter what they are IGP now. Because the economy was moving on well. But according to say economy ni nkoye no. And na amount for baba he Baumia jam ni economy ye dia yes and for economy inside hen inside bim. That is the point. Fact is that many people lose here no. O ma de ba ku biem pa ha o mo ye appointees phobia abano appointee wo mo ada ye musa dan kwa ye isa ni sobe no wodi muslimi bi bem wodi baumia na po kenforata akufuado ena appointees na bae any MMDs na bae na omo mani abre omo entiani omo mani abre se eye religion no se baumia kolusu a enti omo akoye campaign agwa north ho na say the supposed religious enclave o man ana enti muma is so we are very tactical with regards to the comments they are passing at this time run ahead. On my economy where was a mama economy where ye pa. People may even forget about MPP in 2020 elections. Senema kosu ye a month for your Juma ye, Nanyama for bar. It's all about the economy.
It doesn't matter who you present.
Of course, Adiaba could be a MPP before I dream my son said. They say, Oman flag bearer. The NDC is aware the woman who will NPP for a year, see. Then, yes, you bet me you will be a. Or bet me about deflating the powers of whatever things. So, I know the number has NPP for so they should able to also try to look pet attack Kremlin who say, Bia. Nipa me and say, NPP and is debating the Maba. No more about what region or what background. No more ya maka say Christopher no. O ma so papa asabi aso papa be pa no moko no memu a ye hu say bia o mo ye Christopher gidi. Please, anti some religion there man, religion and tribe. I don't want to go there. And them we are see ko animu ni sa na ma we. Say economy.
Isn't it ironic say? Yeah. Any asante, Montio. NDC elections we omokoye. Muslim ni be na neka. Omo two ayi.
They were on the background.
John Dramani Mahama.
Christian.
Mame Jane Omonye Christopher. But you see, Rawlings, Jerry John Rawlings, left an imprint in the Muslim community, their minds. Or ye bibi ma Muslimi for Ebedo NDC.
Part of the party.
Voter region. Yeah. Rawlings. Yes, because say, oh yeah, NDC for ye NDC, you. Rollins Jabibi Emma votarians. Eti votarian what is said day or NDC not because say or NDC but well wuko but the impact shade kobuna hafu sisia yaw buno ahafu buno east MPP ni be no wa waja impact one person anaka waso omu epeja no buzia MPP is almost have forgotten about Buzia in the Yes. MPP for Buzia. Yes. Our bro. But MPP NDC. As you don't get here, you know, J. Josu Mensa or Munufie Monum, and in the Panum be what Bunahafwa. Buru for Kai Omo. Omo Kai Omo say, Omo Kao, it was our Copona. Share J. Kufo Bura Bruno because of Teresa Kufo.
And then na contact class of
JH Mensa. Yes. All the amateur no. Enti ye certain tribes near de. Omo penny for be jedin ma omo. And they one a wobuna. Ubetimi na kasa se wobuna abronje. Abronje. Yeah. On the original chairman. Chairman our no se sia oye 17. He's not connected with the Bruno people. Yes. Are you getting me? Over Ashanti regional, J. Kufo, still you can see. Say at least they can look up to him. We J. Kufo free one man. Now the likes of Chairman Samokrano, Omunya enya that grip for Ashanti region, sir. And Ashanti region, tell me one person, Ashanti Phobit Maka say, we are looking up to. Say we J. Kufo. Educhum. Afe no omu nyina efefe napo okoye running mate anfa asenso nom ne samra afe no omu fefe the Ashanti region akra no omu ni straw omu ni foothold utumi be page animu ana ko ba be ye the image of Ashanti region ne niama bi ni na montuo bi ni ne kasa ne ade he is a goner asem two ni Ashanti for respond to me was what so Uko John Mama wa John Mama usrim Obukunu as yet and the Muslim community no so at the social rollings.
And the Muslims no more connected with Haruna Drews also.
No, but the MPP force was heavy. But me say the Muslim community's connection, it is still with rollings. And then your mama saw me Dono Bruce. Now they as one say omo house be omo ka. Omo say wa obe jan the epe no so no the empe. Yes. What's the matter no? And all ba Asante regional Muslim community, they can resonate with Muntaka. MP say wa no mo kire me obi a uyi chairman sa betuma say why be you wo dey kire me why don ko for jo no ne ade anaka ne omukuta party no obi dey say kandapa national security 8 years the signature was Ashanti region way show me one kandapa chief of staff Fremont Pare 8 years the signature was Ashanti region day can Ashanti region look up mebruni I say yeah chief of staff for so aba yeah kandapa so aba come on so let's not as omanya makwena bahumia yes he's a Muslim onwa onyintum Dr. Mahmoud Bamia this morning I will say it onyintum say ne niye be on the pop on the platform na mo tuobi ne the way he connected himself so much with the Christian community with an intent say bia he will win them no he went too far. The Muslim did not like certain things he did to the point that they even lied about him so we pray kodo. It was a big haram. Who the obe who say bibia but the Muslim community mrantena no mo kasa asem no basintali mu ne ade no they trusted them. Are you getting me? And no baumia no on the pulpit on the platform and then nyuma they call election no it was annoying ekoye mama no masa beto nyame Israel na ye ya when people are crying and they are wailing say ahokire wo man ni no wo se nyame na Israel na ahyewo na a Muslim person is not expected say wo ba kosa you will not get any allergy. We are senyom no odi asasa in their homes they will do it but in the public domain you are not supposed to do it so Baumia's handlers did not help him. It is not about so a Cremonian and also a Muslim.
I say he is done with the Muslim brothers.
Yes, as well you almost
because as he thought or move to his side already. The Aka yourself connected to
the Christian and he went too far and they got angry. And Osabeka so on Krawasaya Methodist.
Yes.
Now or your boys brigade near you think they will take it lightly with you. There's a difference between the Muslim sect and the Christian sect.
Yeah.
Christopher, our liberality is there. Yeah, we went to Makabibia just and they are for Christ, Yesu Christo Huniade. But if you like, go and say certain things against a Commissioner Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Never need be see. Obia was saying you sit here. You have to have that conscience and that presence of balance in the air.
My question is so Baumia was a Muslim. None a deputy no here
Christian.
We're Christian. How was that?
Now the deputy no. Deputy no Yahweh. The running mate in Apono. How did the Christian community
even
how did they see him?
What you say?
Did they see him as a Christian full-blooded through and through?
So these are some of the things.
That was then the Christian community saw John Mama as a Christian. All assemblies of God pastors were preaching, telling them, preaching about Ishmael and Isaac.
I will tell you what they be about President John Dramani Mahama need the Christendom or Christian, all right. But where Father's Day or ya be a ritual man say on every Father's Day or sorry men ne one sorry munina whether we are part of the Assemblies of God Men's Fellowship. And I say, oh, your part. I saw the munina or ye be an check. I was sorry the mono jina yapona.
Now on the AMC.
Now where ye on the
also we say on an AMC.
You're on the MC.
Oh, cracking jokes.
Or your MC for the occasion.
Is the president.
But Busa currently MPP near Ebi or ye
Christonia.
Either or ye member of parliament or ye minister there. visibly.
And that is my point.
During this occasion.
Pentecost.
Yes.
How many times I was a convention because
Pentecost convention you I said
are you getting me?
Doing that.
And a champion we need to a presby and answer or your Methodist.
So a presby
on the crano.
The
last time we went there, the last time I could your opportunity to call Rock City.
Yeah.
Over Kaiser Sunday morning or Castle sorry.
Yes.
I think we're a Catholic and also a presby or something.
As a presby, yes.
Sorry, I'm no panel. Also on the Sunday service will call you offend the angle. It's a sorry man in no.
So the connection must be
there.
But he must go beyond Kou. So Tebia a Sunday service be Ebia o play Roby. Sadia we walk a convincing for server. And deliberately
no say Roman ni bia ni wa waterfall to abama no.
7 months I won't send a boy in a picture video social media no.
Or mass ever
to put him
even as a member of parliament that's a mass ever. You don't come because of elections. You don't come because of elections. No be you near maybe say you used to need. That is hypocrisy.
They are sorry. You should do it.
So Oyawe or say baba say mo se ba o mia na yifo ne Muslim for Antoma na mu Christo ni so am ne kwa run meeting so
no one no man to am.
Yes, that's the
don't try to mon fa
NPP insha se enye sa de wi so man started and to nipa bi from regions no 16 regions no na o ma anye omu yia ama manfo ni wi ase nyina hunu se asumesi Orlando ya wote we yade ni nyina na ye wo yen wo agrekenzema meni ni nyina na ko school agrekenzema e na okra ye se ode no ho kwa akobo NPP ode no ho kwa akobo NDC and truly ode no ho kobo NPP de no ho kobo NDC no ye hu nsakire wo na bra bom ama ebia kan community no a NPP should forget where na NPP ekofa Alhaji Aliu Mahama ebeye running mate no yes na papa no ye contractor or you okay ni ade obeye vice president no e di bibi kakra ebre omo because omo hu say like oko tamale any ade na me dru baby no na tamale gradually na e divide say seat ni 12 eye 13 na NDC befa bi a 7 na NPP afa 6 because they saw say NPP afa Alhaji Aliu Mahama aye ni yes na animunyam to the extent say even a sports stadium ewo regional capital no they are to papa na ye besi no mu hunu bi da de no mu ni ma ye Caladan sports stadium na ye anya kokko na RTU ne kotoko na asmo ebobo so no mu say true papa no the position onya ye as vice president no e de Tamale sports stadium breyen e de animonyam bi bre Tamale say NPP and start anya sa de no amma o ma hunu say ye fa obi from this region and this yes ade so well my more example obi te say ye ka Haruna Idrisu akonta visibly who say
Tamale.
Yes
he controls the place.
I said that block
4 5 northern
he controls that block
to the 5 northern regions.
Yes, is the image there is their face is their future
oba half original. Omayama say
Erikopoku has become the image
of the region for the party.
Yes.
Oko Bono region mu a ena na ubo esi edunketi ade.
Yes.
Obo Ashanti region sesi a akwakwa
Muntaka yes.
Muntaka no more the likes of
Ambassador
Sapon. Eno mo ma Asante mai susu hu se mo amo de Daniel Ohina Jekum. Fa no ye ni.
Yes.
And these guys guys are
Niama don't call.
Yes.
Woman back be no a deputy regional minister no. Amwako
Niama.
There was one woman beside also come and share Betty Moldy Drisu.
That's it. So
there are certain figures
and
they have come out of NDC.
Ofa omo na wo omo ye wi a unja wo mu. Still no even if omunia hode no keep them mom place certain roles ewo omade
ambassador omade as one ohini bi
a professor Bridan so
Obri be am home master and vice chancellor
or part of it akota wo de sane ma ni nyina no send a message to Emma region who say ye
ba ye to abama omo ye nkrofo yi but yawe eno so be kase yen so ye die wa Ashanti region no wo mo Akufo-Addo mo positions no they enrich themselves bebre wo party mo a omo kodi nkran they forgot about their people but say there are key positions 2017 to 2020 Akufo-Addo the ma Ashanti region 2021 to 2024 the ma omo their handwriting is missing
akotantina still obi to say wa unu yakuma Justin Kodia from Pond that's why a fingerprint.
Yes,
the minds of
the youth.
Of the youth. Party money bebre penimfone nkokora
nyane. Party ma Ashanti region. They say even Kodia Akwaba wadi ncho. But also omuntimi attacking too much. Because the young man no be a general secretary no. He has paid his dues to the people.
And akota o attacking Kodia na Ubon say na boys na say ba go overboard kakra bia
they will come back for you
omaba say no we there o de born enye ye no start here the till we insult na we de ema
adentra
it is MPP and start here anya saade no a NDC aye no so well how say MPP aye saade we well with John Peter Mewu ewo voter region
now he's the face there
oti region mo ngia Peter Mewu mu saa nyine ma so going forward say ebi kura a campaign team and I say bi ade bi no mo be ya they should involve him deliberate yamane mekasa as a keynote speaker what I say as ebia say bi a welcome address ko mo ma
like he should be visible
in their activities
Ashanti region obi to say Kokase
yes
he has the people he can rally them Koka should start programs near the Koka should be visible yes because only want to be and the man for who
yes
but until that he should come out oh a original Kobodi Samsiahi
yes
NDC Samsiahi upa only mean 1,000 times omo de no ya yam komra mre na tia
obi to say a current health minister your friend is Akando
mu fi say obey
odi medical background
ya we me say obey fi say Akando na Akando there
Nanado current government here free edu baby na unya sehwini bia na western of libya no ye minister awo na be
amakofi bu asusu me say NDC here almost succession plan by amanfo ni with the appointment do mama or strategic yes
nipa mienu niensa
the people hold up to
the lives of akota the lives of Amwasteka onhwene kasa mu yi se MPP ebekoso anya time se MPP bekoso atia kofom in the minds of the Muslim community the lives of the common friend in kasanchire no
it's not come make here no
yes debi
say Christian form part on beto ababa
na no Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia eye kremuni no onya bi chen wo constituency for parliamentary results ebeto na yemfa presidential
Bawumia nya bi chen abra wo ye Christo ni
abra na wo ye Christo ni
abusia for yen komra na yemfa tipo fomra ensem na enyu no wo mene enye yen so be mene
and the anope yesha samana say area free current champions of the Ghana Premier League baby any gold stars and yesha and samana say free kwesi ade omo de omani chemu ewo eye Saint Terry